Raheem, let's talk about the loonie versus the world. We know the loonie's at very close to parity, give or take a little with the US dollar. How are we doing against the euro and other major currencies?
Well, since October 2010, we've definitely seen the European currency in a decline, and the Canadian dollar has been appreciating. Increasingly versus a lot of the other major currencies, the Canadian dollar is the flavor of the day. A lot of money is pouring into the Canadian dollar, and that's primarily driven by the economies in Europe having so many issues with the sovereign debt crisis, and growth issues. And therefore, on a relative basis, we'll continue to see the Canadian dollar outperform versus a lot of the other major currencies.
It strikes me that, from a retail investor's point of view, from an individual who's looking for a place to travel, their point of view, Europe sounds, from a currency issue, like an increasingly attractive place to travel. Our dollar's buying more euros as time goes by.
Exactly, and I think if you're thinking about purchasing some euros, there's no rush. We're continuing to see issues in Europe continue to come to fruition over time. These issues are not going to be resolved in the short term. We're going to continue to see pressure in the euro. This bodes well for those that have Canadian dollars.
Now, at this moment in time, how many euros would a Canadian dollar buy you in rough terms?
Typically, it's ranged over the last couple of months between 131 to plus minus 5%.
And where would that have been, say, 1 or 2 years ago?
Oh, it's been quite volatile because of the recession, but it's ranged anywhere from 125 to higher than 131.
All right, so it looks like we're in a good trend in terms of buying euros. We're buying more euros, and European vacations look better and better. Thanks, Raheem.
Thank you.